In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the meter cable. This is the front of the control valve, and we're going to spin it to show the outlet side of the valve. The first step is to detach the meter cable tip by pushing up from underneath the valve body, and then lift and slide the meter cable tip up and out of the port. Then, using a crosshead screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws that are in each corner of the power head's backside. The front cover will then easily tilt forward and away from the power head housing assembly. Keep in mind that there's not a lot of slack related to multiple wires that are connected to the front display board. Then carefully wiggle and detach the multi-pin connectors from the display board. The first being the white drive motor connector, followed by the micro switch connection, followed by the meter cable connection, and finally the red power connector. Then set the display cover aside. Using pliers, pinch and push the strain relief that is holding the gray meter cable through the hole in the housing, and then either push or pull one of the ends of the meter cable through that hole and set both the meter cable and the strain relief aside. Now wrap the strain relief around the replacement meter cable and then slide the multi-pin connector through the hole in the housing and then push and twist the strain relief into place. Then slide the meter cable tip back into its port and click it into place. Next, connect the multi-pin connectors to the replacement display board while keeping in mind that the connectors are color-coded and keyed to fit in only one orientation. Then reposition the front cover back into place, and while holding the front cover in position, use the crosshead screwdriver to tighten the 4 screws back into place. You have now successfully replaced the meter cable.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.